When cybercriminals leaked more than 5.4% of the SHIB that had been taken from the exchange, Shiba Inu went through a major slump. Works into the market after a steep 10% drop in just one day, the price of SHIB showed remarkable endurance and has now recovered most of its losses. The recent volatility has not dampened Shiba Inu's 2.24% daily growth as it trades at 1,789 units. Prominent analysts anticipate that SHIba Inu will regain its prior high of 4,500 units, and financial professionals are confident about Shiba's future. In the current crypto bull market, the token has been performing exceptionally well, increasing its value by 3.5% in the last 24 hours. This brings SHIB's 7-day growth to 5.5%, which is lower than close rattles like Pepe Dogecoin and Doge Whale, which have more impressive percentage gains over the past week. Despite being 4.4% down on a monthly basis, Shiba Inu is holding steady at 1,788 units. Impressive, considering that Shiba Inu's market value increased by 37.6% from 1,294 units 2 weeks earlier. As the bull market gains steam, community analysts and industry professionals anticipate that Shiba Inu will experience a significant increase in value in the weeks ahead. A third-party comparison tool included a survey in its quarterly report. 13 experts in the cryptocurrency sector were polled for their thoughts on SHIB's potential performance up until 2030. Based on the current trading value of the SHIB, which is over 1,700 units, and the fact that it has already surpassed this predicted value, the experts' average forecast for SHIB's performance in 2024 has been mostly realized, according to the report Reeve. The price prediction indicates an 11% increase from 900 units at the time of the survey to 1,000 units by the end of the year. From a pricing point of 900 units in the study, experts expect that the SHIB will reach 2,500 units by the end of 2025, a 77% increase. By the end of 2030, they project that the SHIB will reach 4,500 units. An astounding 400% jump from where it was before. These long-term forecasts have already been exceeded by the SHIB. Despite the market slump, sales reached 4,500 units in March, a level not seen in some years. Shiba Inu are now trading at 1,789 units, demonstrating that SHIB is still a promising investment. The experts' optimistic forecast of 4,500 units by 2030 is seeming more and more likely. This objective necessitates a relatively small 152.66 price increase from its present level. The SHIB has already proven its capacity to generate quick gains, indicating that the analyst prediction could come true for Shiba investors rather sooner than anticipated. The INS are thinking about all of these changes, and forecasts show how the token might really take off. To get the most out of your investment, stay educated and monitor market movements. With a current trading volume of over 1,700 units, Shiba Inu has already surpassed the expert projections for 2024. This indicates that the consensus prediction regarding SHIB's performance this year has been mostly fulfilled, since the coin has surpassed the early predictions made by the experts. Shiba Inu are expected to reach 4,500 units by 2030. This represents a staggering 400% increase from their previous price of 900 units. Interestingly, Shiba Inu has already surpassed these long-term projections. Additionally, a report suggests that analysts projected SHIB's value to rise to 2,500 units by 2025, which would be a 177% surge from the survey's initial price. Before the market crash caused a decline in its price to its present level with Shiba Inu, the meme currency set a multi-year high of 4,500 units in March. As of June, SHIB was still trading over 2,500 units, with a relatively modest 152.66 price increase from its current level. The experts' optimistic prediction of reaching 4,500 units by 2030 is looking more and more plausible. Notably, SHIB has already shown its ability to make rapid gains, surging 373 in just under 10 days in Q1. This suggests that the experts' forecast might materialize sooner than expected. Now let's move on to today's video's main story. The dog-themed meme coin is hoping for significant 2.7 trillion SHIB accumulation. Investors are feeling quite confident about Shiba Inu's potential price swings because of on-chain variables. On July 20th, a crypto market whale was caught buying 2.7 trillion SHIB from an exchange. This accumulation emphasizes the possibility of additional price hikes for the token. According to data from the tracker Whale Alert, this might pave the way for a potential price goal of 3,860 units. The Robinhood cryptocurrency exchange amassed 2.7 trillion SHIBs valued at $148.3 million. The continued faith of investors in the token, along with the substantial accumulation, shows the possibility for SHIB to undergo additional expansion. According to data from Ether, Scan, the unnamed whale address involved in the transaction, has been found, and it has an amazing 63.52 million worth of SHIBA INU tokens. The optimism surrounding the token's future potential has been fueled by the whale's unwavering confidence and interest in the asset. Investors are even more enthusiastic about SHIBA and its potential to deliver future gains thanks to this substantial holding. Furthermore, in light of the recent CrowdStrike outage, Satoshi Kusama, the principal creator of SHIBA INU, has drawn attention to the decentralized potential of the coin. To counteract the drawbacks of centralized systems, Hama has promoted the SHIBA INU ecosystem as a strong alternative. Meanwhile, the SHIBA INU's price is riding high on confidence, boosted by buying pressure from the aforementioned whale, and this occurrence has further stimulated conversations and fostered good feeling in the SHIBA INU community. A prominent SHIBA INU member of the community, Eli Ika, started a petition on change.org pushing Binance to support the daily burn campaign, which the SHIBA INU community is also rallying behind. The burn will occur on July 17, 2024, and will involve 1% of all SHIB tokens. The objective of this petition is to gradually decrease the availability of SHIB tokens, making them more valuable due to their rarity. This project is based on Binance's earlier achievement with Luna, where they did token burns that were paid for by transaction fees. The SHIBA INU community has a track record of using contests to accomplish major goals, including getting SHIB listed on Robinhood in 2022. Continuing with the previous techniques, this new attempt to persuade Binance intends to have a greater impact on the token's total market presence and value. As part of its long-term plan, the SHIBA INU community suggests burning 1% of daily SHIB transactions in tokens. This will reduce the quantity of the cryptocurrency and create scarcity, which could lead to an increase in its value. Improvement of value. Several projects have found success with these mechanisms, which boost demand and reduce supply. As a result, many of our subscribers have expressed their intention to hold on to their SHIB tokens for the next 5 years, believing in the potential of SHIBA and putting them to good use. In a dramatic sell-off, hackers released more than 5.4 trillion SHIB, which had been stolen from the exchange works, into the market. The price of SHIB dropped by nearly 10% in just one day, but the token showed resilience and is now back up to where it was before. Despite the recent volatility, SHIBA INU is trading at 1,789 units, representing a daily gain of 2.24%. The future of SHIBA INU is bright, according to financial experts. Prominent analysts are projecting that SHIBA INU will once again sell 4,500 units. The token has been performing admirably in the ongoing crypto bull market, increasing its value by 3.5% in the last 24 hours. This brings its 7-day growth rate up to 5.5%, which is lower than closed rattles like Pepe Dogecoin and Doge Whale, which have seen more impressive percentage gains over the past week. At the moment, SHIB is trading at 1,788 units, which is 4.4% below its monthly high. Considering that SHIBA, the current market value of INU, is 376.3% more than its 1,294 unit valuation from only 2 weeks ago. As the bull market gains steam, community analysts and industry professionals anticipate that SHIBA INU will be worth far more in the weeks to come. As part of its quarterly research, an independent comparison platform Finder performed a survey. The survey collected opinions from 13 experts in the cryptocurrency market about the future of SHIBs. The results show that, on average, the panel of experts thinks SHIB will be worth 1,000 units by the end of 2024, up 11% from its price of 900 units when the survey was conducted.